In this tutorial, we will learn that how you can enable Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator on phone in just few easy steps. So let's dive in. You will be on home page. You have to open your App Store or Play Store and you have to search here Steam. And you will be on this official app of Steam. Install this. After installing it, open it and you will see dashboard like this. Then you have to import your details and sign in. After sign in, you will see this welcome window. Swipe it and click on done. Now after launching your app, you will see this dashboard of Add Authenticator. If it's not showing, you can simply click on this icon and it will open this exact window. Now to add Authenticator, click on that and write your number here. Click on next. Now you have to confirm your email address by just clicking the link in your email that they just sent you. So we have to open Gmail account and here is email. I will open it and click on add phone number and it will redirect you to Steam app. So now you have to enter the code that they sent to your phone number. So simply I will paste code that I just received in my phone number and click on verify code. Then it will show you this code that you might need this code someday. You can write it down and keep it safe. And this code will help you to recover your account if you lose access to it, if you lose your device or if you delete this app without first transferring your authenticator. So we'll click on done. So now our Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator is activated. You will see so many options here. If you click on settings, you can see here we can remove authenticator from here. We can contact Steam support and also can do security settings. So that's how you can enable Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator on phone in just few easy steps.